Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the Apple Watch Series 8. Okay, so when it comes to the Apple Watch, I'm quite new to the party. I've never had one before and I've been toying with the idea for the last few generations. So with the Series 8, I thought, do you know what, I'm going to get one. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run through some of the key features before I do open up the box. So we all know you wear it on your wrist and it tells the time, basic features of a watch. But on top of that, you can download different apps, stuff that will pair to your phone via Bluetooth. You've got all the types of stuff for monitoring your health as well. So in this one, it does have an ECG sensor. New to this model, there is also blood oxygen monitoring, and also for women's health, there is a temperature sensor as well. Other features are fall detection, crash detection. It will automatically call the emergency services if you don't cancel it after it believes you've had a fall or a severe crash in a vehicle. It also has always on screen, so the screen will stay illuminated. You can turn that off if you wish to do so. It does have an 18-hour battery life. There is also lots of activity tracking, and also there is sleep monitoring as well, so you can track your sleep patterns, and lots of other stuff to do with keeping fit and healthy. Now this particular one does have the eSIM built in, and it is paired to my mobile number or cell number. So I can make calls on this without having my phone in Bluetooth range. When it is in Bluetooth range and you don't have that feature activated, then obviously the call will go via Bluetooth to your phone. Okay, so just a couple more features of this. This does have international roaming, providing your cell or service provider has that available. This comes with watchOS 9, obviously pre-installed. There is GPS on here as well, so you can mark out where you are on the planet. There is a schedule for taking medications if you need to take medications as well. And this is the black version. There are different colors available, different finishes in stainless steel, which is a bit more expensive. And if you do have a look around from Apple and third party, there are a multitude of different straps you can get. This one I believe is just the basic black silicone one in here. This was provided by my mobile service provider, so I've got that on a monthly option. So yeah, let's crack on and get it opened up. Okay, so on the back there's not much information apart from saying that this is a Series 8. It is the Midnight aluminium case, Midnight Sport Band, and this is the larger dial. This is the 45mm, typically designed for gents, but ladies, you can wear the big one as well if you want. Okay, so on the back it does say the box includes an Apple Watch, the band, USB-C charging cable. The power adapter is sold separately, but I did buy one, and supports LTE, which is technically 4G, and UMTS. Right, okay, so I believe we just pull these tabs here. He says, there we go, there's one, there's another, and the whole thing slides out like so. Okay, so this is the strap here, sport band, graphite stainless steel pin, and as I said, this is midnight black. So let's get it opened up. Yeah, there's a little pull tab there. Sorry about the camera angles, I haven't really set up properly to film this. This is just a bit of on the whim. Okay, so inside, usual documentation, and then in here there is the instructions on how to use the band and how to fit the band to the actual watch. It does come with two straps, so you have the small and medium, the medium and large, and then obviously the other side of the strap. I do have a big wrist, so presumably I'm going to be using this one. So So we'll pop that to one side for a minute and we'll have a look at this. Okay, so this is the actual watch itself. Another pull tab here to open. Actually, there was two pull tabs. There we go. Okay, sorry, this is a bit of a jumble. Like I said, this video was done on a whim. I thought I'd better do it. Okay, so in this section here we have the charging cable, which is kind of a MagSafe connector that just magnetizes to the back of the watch itself. And on the other end we have we have a USB-C connector, and I've got the official Apple USB-C charger as well. I got that at a really good discounted rate as well, because I got this and some other stuff which will be coming up. And then the actual watch comes here in a nice little protective padded sleeve, so we can just slide that out. Easier said than done. Slide that out. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I've pressed the button accidentally and woke it up, but I'm going to fit the straps, so I'll just pop that there for a second and we'll grab the larger band. Right, so it's complaining that the battery is low, so what I'll do is I'll just fit the strap and then I shall go off into my own little world and get the watch charged up and then set it up off a camera, obviously because there's lots of personal information I need to put in there, and pairing it with my phone. It is very self-explanatory to do. Just go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and follow all the on-screen instructions. It is really, really simple. I've seen it done a couple of times and believe me, you cannot go wrong. Okay, so we're just going to place this on charge onto the magnetic charger. There we go, and it is now charging. So once that is fully charged, I'll get that paired to my iPhone and set up. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.